Hi guys, today's recipe for crab cakes was requested by a fellow viewer. Her name is Ciara. So thank you Ciara so much for requesting this recipe. So to make this, we're going to start with a skillet, and I'm going in with some lemon infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. Next, go in with some chopped onions. Allow the onions to saute until it's translucent. Next, go in with some sweet peppers and mix. Allow this to saute for a minute. Next, I'm going in with some minced garlic and some chopped celery, or you can use parsley, or you can use scallions or saife. Mix, cook for 1 minute, and then set this aside and allow it to cool down. Next, you're going to open your crab meat, and I'm using the tin crab. So you can get this crab at PriceMart, or if you live out here in the US, check Costco. Empty the meat into a big bowl. You see how beautiful that crab meat is? This is real crab meat, not imitation. Next, I'm going in with the juice of half of a lemon. Add in those cooked aromatics, some Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and I'm seasoning this with some Cajun seasoning, and I'm using the Slap Your Mama brand. You can use any type of Cajun seasoning you can find. Mix to combine. You want to be gentle when you're mixing this because you don't want to break up that crab meat too much. Next, take scoops of the crab meat and place it into a muffin tin. This goes into your freezer until the cakes have solidified. So in this case, what it does is it helps the cakes to keep its shape. So once the cakes are frozen, you'll take them out of the freezer and turn them out onto a cookie tray. Once you've turned them out, you form them into your patties, and next we're going to go ahead to fry our crab cakes. So I'm putting in some lemon infused oil in my frying pan, and I'm taking the cakes and I'm covering it in panko breadcrumbs. You can use cricks, you can use any type of cracker or breadcrumbs you would like. Place your cakes into the oil and allow it to cook on both sides until it's golden brown. You want to do this on a medium-low heat because the breadcrumbs can burn very quickly. Once one side is brown, you're going to flip and let the other side brown. Now when both sides of the crab cakes are brown, you're going to take a cover and cover your crab cakes and allow it to cook for 5 to 8 minutes to ensure that the center is cooked. Once that happens, this is now ready to be served. So Ciara and everyone who requested this recipe, I hope you all enjoyed it. Leave me your comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to send in your requests. Please remember to like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!